Hi guys, so welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you a few charts which we can trade in the upcoming week. So the first one is Tata Motors. So I'll show you the Tata Motors chart which we draw in the 15 minutes. So this is not the best chart, but this is also a tradable one. Stock is taking multiple resistance on the trend line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's taking support almost 1, 2, 3, and 4. Currently it has fallen down from the trend line, but any up move back into the range and a breakout above this line is tradable. I'm not looking to short this stock because in current market there is no position for shorting because any dip is getting bought. So any dip is getting bought. So I'm not looking to short any stock at the moment. So Tata Motors is the first stocks which we can try to trade on Monday. So the second stock is mothersumi. Mothersumi is also looking good for a triangle pattern breakout. In fact, the stock is trading for the last few days within the triangle. It's taking a resistance over here in the trend line. It opened, yeah, on 6 it tried to open out of the channel but couldn't, so fallen back. You can see the same day it's taking resistance, again resistance, tried to break out, couldn't sustain, fallen down, again resistance taking, again it's taking a resistance over here. It's also showing very good support on the support line 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the support line is very good, and also the trend line, the resistance line is also showing also good. So this is one chart which we can trade on the coming week or Monday itself. So the third stock for the upcoming week is Bharat Electronics. So you can see the resistance trend line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's almost like playing around the trend line itself. And in case of support, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Bharat Electronics is also one stock which can be traded Monday or either any upcoming week. So if it doesn't give a breakout or it go flat, sideways, then the triangle pattern will get negated. So in that case, don't try to take the trade. So the fourth stock is Bajaj Finance. Yeah, Bajaj Finance I am interested to trade because again last few days, in fact last 4 days, 5, 6, 7, 8, the stock is trading within a range. You can see after the fall it tried to come up, it took the resistance over here, again it took the resistance over here, but it tried to break out and it took the support on the resistance line for that day and closed. Again the next day it tried to break out, but again the supply came and huge supply, so it stopped falling down. It took a support over here, again a resistance 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 resistance points, and 1, 2, 3, 4 support. Now currently it has fallen down below the support. So let's see how the stock performs on Monday. If it comes back within the range and give a breakout above the line, then it's really good. But you can see one thing, like once the stock fall, it tried to go up and it fall down. So from here it took the support from over the around level 5000, it went up, and you can see again it fell, but it didn't fall up to 5000. It took a support of 5025. So that means buyers are more interested before the previous support. Again, you can see buyers started accumulating from 536. Again it went up, came down, buyers started buying at 5040. Again it went up, it fallen down, but it didn't break the previous swing, which is main swing is over here 5025. The swing it took back from 5058, and if you see it again fallen down, and the buy happening over here, which is above the previous swing. So that means buyers are more interested before the previous support. So I think in very short time we can see the Bajaj Finance breaking this level and going up. So that will be really a good buy in Bajaj Finance. The third stock will, sorry, the fifth stock will be Asian Paint. The reason why I'm invested in Asian Paint is same Asian Paint is trading in a channel. You can see on 4th it's falling into the channel, taking support, again support, sorry, again resistance, support, support, and again it tried to break out from the trend line, but it's falling down. And if you look up support is really nice. It's having support over here. It's a very long support. So any breakout above this region will be a good place for trade. And sixth stock will be HDfc Life. And sixth stock will be HDfc Life. Again HDfc Life, so you can see in the last couple of days it's taking the resistance from 720 level. 720. You can see try to break out, no, not happening. Again try to break out, not happening. It can't close above 720 on a 15 minutes candle. It's keep on having the resistance again. So any up move above 720 is tradable, and please note that there could be a possibility that yeah, if it breaks 720 properly, you can find a resistance over here by 730 or 735. Yeah, if it break out, yeah, depends on the candle, which time it breaks out above the 720, it can face a resistance from this trend line. So you can trade up to there, and if you want you can book half the price over there and then let the remainder run. And this is also a very good trend line. Yeah, all these trend lines are for the last few days or last 1 week. So this kind of breakout will not sustain for many days. These kind of breakouts are only for a particular day. I prefer to trade it on only for that particular day. Because I have, but last few days I have traded on Bharati Airtel breakout, which is in fact still trading above the breakout level. Godrej Properties trading above the breakout level. M&M trading above the breakout level. So there are many stocks which is still trading above the breakout level, and also you have to think that mainly this is happening because of the bull market. And otherwise, even though if the stock is sustaining above the breakout level, I'm not interested for keeping it for a couple of days or more than that. I'm only interested for the day, get in and get out. So another stock is Godrej Properties. I'm not that confident about this particular trend line because it's only for the last 2 days, you can see. But you can see there are multiple resistance points showing in the trend line, and there are multiple resistance point in the trend. So this is another stocks which I will just keep it in my viewing list. And if I find comfortable, probably what comfortable level will be the if the stock opens in between this area and then give a breakout. Rather, I will be more interested in that case rather than the stock opening over here and then going up or falling down. If it fall down into the range and then breakout, I'm interested. This is what happened in last day Havels. I had a trend line for Havels. Havels open almost over here and then it fall down into the triangle pattern, and then it again break out, and it moved very much, very big. So what happened is that previous day people who had bought, when they open at very high level, people tends to book, uh, so the stocks fall down, and when the prices come into good price level, the new buyers are interested and they start accumulating the stock, and this will kick the stock again to much higher level. And another stock will be Ambuja. Again, Ambuja, this is only the trend line for the last couple of days only. So one resistance, two resistance, three and four. And the support you can see one, two, three, four, five. And Ambuja is having a very good resistance at 270. It's having a very good resistance over here, 269.6 and around 270.20, because last two times you can see the stock started falling from this level. So I thought Ambuja will close above 270 last day, but unfortunately it didn't happen. So it will be crucial where Ambuja is opening, and I have traded before a couple of times in Ambuja, and always Ambuja is a bad luck for me. So these are the few stocks which I share in the last for the next 1 week. Thank you guys.